Hey guys, this is E with Scrapbooking with me, and I had a couple of people that sent me messages asking could I show these two collections that I'm about to show, and I told them of course. I thought I had shown them already, but evidently I didn't. This one is from Bella Boulevard, and it is Mom Life. There's the name right there, Mom Life. And it has the bonus on the back, which is the diamonds. And if I have shown this to you, you can just go ahead and go through the video. I apologize, but I had a couple of people that said, you didn't show that one. I don't know what all the pages look like, so I will be happy to show it again. There we go. That's that one. Mother's Day coming up. These are some really, really good collections. There's that one. Isn't that cute? It looks like where the little kids wrote Mom a letter and everything when they were little. I know I've got some of those things from my kids and my grandkids. There's the back side of that. And then here is this one. And the back side. Okay, here is this one. And the back side. I love that honeycomb pattern. That's very popular with these collections because I see it in quite a few of them. So there's that one. Look at that kid taxi. Isn't that what we feel like when we're moms? Feel like all we do is run kids from one place to the other. And there's the back side of that. And then you have these cutouts or journaling pages, whatever you want to call them. And then there's the back side, and you get 2 of each sheet, and then you get a sticker sheet. This is a 6x12 sticker sheet, and it's just a good mixture of a lot of things. Sorry about the glare. So there we go. Let's see how many you get. You get 8 double-sided pattern papers and 2 double-sided border papers, 2 double-sided daily detail papers, and 1 sticker sheet, plus 1 12x12 exclusive diamond pattern. And that's this one, I'm sure, the exclusive diamond pattern. Alright, so that is what you get in that one, and that is Mom Life by Bella Boulevard. Then we have, of course, we can't leave Dad out, so we had Dad Style. And this is also by Bella Boulevard. And you get the bonus page on the back. And then I love these shoes. Seems like I have shown this before because I remember talking about those shoes. I love those shoes. But it's been a while, so we'll just show it again. Like I said, if you've already seen it, you can just click right on through this video. Isn't that pretty? And then this one. These would make some great dad gifts, or you know, to make some boxes and things with, or dad cards for Father's Day. There's that one. And then there's all those watches. That side. And then here's the border pages. And the it's called Daily Details. I was just looking to see what it's called, but I'd call it little journaling spots or whatever. And then the sticker sheet. There you go. Alright, those are the 2 collections that we got from Bella Boulevard. Like I said, we've had these for a little while. I think we have already shown at least one of them, but I had a couple of people who requested to see them up close, and so I will be glad to do any videos on anything that you want to see up close. Alright, we will talk to you guys later. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and when that little bell pops up, click that bell so that you'll be notified when we put up new videos. We'll talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.